Bring charm and creativity to your retail displays with DGS Retail's chalkboard signs. Crafted from real wood, they are sure to add a rustic touch to any store setting, perfect for promoting wine, specialty foods, and more. They're available in 4 convenient sizes. Whether you're outfitting a small end cap or a large island display, there's a perfect fit for your needs. Each size comes with adjustable brackets for easy installation and height customization. From compact displays to expansive setups, you can position your signage just right for maximum impact. Choose unfinished wood to save or customize with one of 26 color options to match your store's aesthetic. Unleash your creativity on a versatile chalkboard that not only provides a smooth writing surface, but also features magnetic functionality for added convenience. Built-in grooves securely display printed signs, allowing you to switch up your messaging with ease. No matter the size, DGS Retail's chalkboard signs bring a professional touch to any display. Perfect for any retail environment, these signs help you connect with customers in creative and memorable ways. Transform your displays with DGS Retail's chalkboard signs. Visit us online today to explore the full collection and find the perfect fit for your store.